Hello dear students, how can it happen that today is Children's Day and I'm not making any video? Because my feelings, my love, my affection, my passion for teaching and guiding and motivating small children cannot be put into words. And that's truly said that India is a country of festival because it happens to be today the 14th November happens to be a day when we have two very important festivals celebrated in India. One is all we know that we are celebrating, that is Deepavali, a festival of light, and the other happens to be Children's Day. And I think because since there are two festivals, so one festival cannot become less important or the other festival cannot become more important because each festival has its own place in its own domain. And since I belong to a teaching profession where we are blessed to see children all around us. We are out to talk to the children, we are out to motivate and guide and inspire and give values to the children. So especially being into teaching profession, the day like Children's Day, it becomes a very important day for all children, all people who have small kids. And if I say I would not hide the things, on the last day of the school, when I was visiting different classes and I was giving them all well wishes for the Deepavali, so in one of the sections, one child stood up and asked, "Don't forget to wish us and make some video for Children's Day." And on that time, I won't hide the thing because that time I really didn't remember that 14th November is again a Children's Day because I was so excited about Deepavali festival. So it is for that student and it is for all students out in the school, all the students, all the small children who are listening this video that I'm making this video particularly for you, and that's all about making this video about Children's Day. One more thing I want to say that to make a video and to celebrate Children's Day, I don't have to be Chacha Nehru or Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru because all we people in our life, in our social life, in our family life, we are chachas to small kids. And if I talk about myself, I'm really blessed to have so many small kids in our family. My family, our family is a combined family. And if I talk about, we have got 7 lovely kids in our family. So let's just start. You see a small cute boy sitting on my lap. बेटा आपका नाम क्या, नाम बताओ?
Garvis.
गर्वेश, जोर से बताओ आपका नाम क्या है?
Garvis.
Garvis. And right in my right, a boy is sitting, and I want you to know the things about himself only because he's grown up enough not to be introduced by me. So he will give his introduction by his own. Raghav, it's your turn now.
My name is Raghav Kumar
Loud,
Gupta.
loud.
My name is Raghav Kumar Gupta. I study in class 6. My school name is Delhi International Public School, and I like my hobbies are I like playing football, badminton, and I also like dancing, singing, skating, and I am a coder. I like coding. In that I make apps. I have made many apps, and now I am going to publish an app on Play Store.
Yes, so these kids, I remain busy from Monday to Saturday in my professional life, but when weekends I get holidays, I rush from Mahendragarh to Rohini, and that's only, my love for these kids which brings me here. But in the last 7 months, we had lockdown and really missed the small kids because this is the second time of visiting in that 7 months of period time, and it has never happened in my life that I was away from these small kids for 7 months every week, even if my schedule is very hectic. So their love, they pull me there from there and I come over here. I take them out to play, and when I play with them, it's not that I am playing with them or I am giving my time to them. It's like when I play with them, I get to see my own childhood. I get a true reflection, and it is like I am reliving my moments of childhood. So really, it's not that I take them out to play. Actually, it is these small kids who take them out and who give them once again a chance to relive my moments of childhood. Now let me tell you one thing. On the last day of the school, I met with an accident. It was not an accident. I fell off the bike and I broke my hands. And I have my sister's son. He is quite grown up. He is 22 years old, and he lives in Noida, Greater Noida, in fact. So the moment he came to know that I met with an accident and I broke my hand, the whole night he was traveling from Greater Noida and he came directly to my Balana College campus by traveling all night, and he is just 22 years old. He doesn't travel much, but then he booked a cab. He traveled all night. He came to my place college, Balana College, RPS College, in the morning 6 o'clock, and he took me all his way from Mahendragarh to Rohini and taking all my cares. So that is what my kids are, my nephews and niece are. They are like everything for me. So really I am blessed to have so nice children in my family. So now Raghav, if I ask you, I don't praise me, but if I ask you to say few words for your uncle, what would you say to my students?
I had many uncles, but my this uncle is very best. I wait for Saturday Sunday. He always come for Saturday Sunday, and it was, I think, always in Monday to Friday. When Saturday Sunday come, I sometimes I never sleep that when my uncle will come.
Okay, so the same thing is here. His words, actually I feel that he has stolen my words, and if I have to say words for my nephews Raghav and Garvis, so same words are going to be from my side to them also, because without meeting them I cannot stay away from them on weekends, and that is how every weekends I come to them. Now my dear students, I want you to know that Raghav is a good dancer and he also sings well. So I want, if he doesn't mind singing, so I want him to sing few lines for my students. So Raghav, please sing loud.
Okay, thank you. I'm checking my vital. Sorry.
Yes, not a problem.
I'm checking my vital signs, drawing my battle line, going to war again. I'm writing my chest. There's pain. I know. I was born for this. I know. I was born for this. I believe we can write a story. I believe we can be an army. We are the warriors who learn to love the pain. We come from different places but have the same name. Cause we were born for this. We were born for this. Oh, we are the broken ones who choose the spark to flame. Watch out the fire ranges. Our hearts are never tame. Cause we were born for this. We were born for this. Thank you.
Okay, so now let me check the knowledge of the today's modern kid, that do they remember about the history inside the fact behind why do we celebrate Deepavali. So Raghav, if I ask that why do we celebrate Deepavali, so what answer do you have for this question?
Deepavali means lightness over darkness. So now we are in lockdown and many of us want to buy crackers, but I am not taking crackers. So I'm helping my mom in decorating the house. So I have made some things, like I have made a diya from paper, and it is whenever I make something for decorating my house, I feels very happy. Means it is very happy to decorate your house.
Okay, Raghav, I asked you another question. I asked, why do we celebrate Deepavali? What is the reason behind it? History.
So when
Lord Ram.
when Lord Ram killed the Ravana, then after it they come to Ayodhya. So when they came, so there was very darkness. So they think
And it was the night of new moon day, which is called Amavasya, which is there is total dark.
Yes. So then they decided that we will light out the diyas, and there was a row of diyas. They made a row of diyas. So that's why we celebrate Diwali.
Yes, well said. And why do we celebrate a Children's Day?
Because Nehru ji loved children, and after it, when they died on 14th November, all the people decided to make their birth anniversary as Children's Day. That's why we celebrate Children's Day.
Okay, Raghav. Very nice. And they was telling you honestly, I didn't tell him that I am going to ask you this question. This was very prompt and instant question I have posed. So that I'm really proud of my these kids, the way they are growing, and having values. I'm really happy, and I want all these things to have into the children of Mahendragarh RPS campus. And I really want one thing that I want my children to speak English fluently, and for this reason I'm into the campus of RPS school in Mahendragarh, and for the same reason I'm also in RPS Degree College Balana. Happy Children's Day, Happy Deepavali.
Happy Children's Day, Happy Diwali.
Thank you.